Okay, so here we are. We have the most sold albums of all times broken up into solo artists and bands. And I've come along and I've put two different lists into, just cut and paste them into DESMOS, B for band, S for solo. And the thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to do what's called a histogram. Okay, and so if I go to functions, if I go to histogram, I can, my data set, let's do bands first of all. And then the bin width. So the bin is how wide these are. And ideally, we want about 5 to 7 bars to come up. And so if I play around with a little bit, let's make the bin width, let's make it 3. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It might be a little bit big. We'll try, we'll try 4, 2, and then I'll go to the left, and then I'll recenter it. I might go back to 3 and see what it looks like here. And I'll recenter it. Okay, so what I've done here is this means now that the minimum, there are 10 albums that are between 30 and 33. Not equal to 33, but 33, less than 33 and 30. There's 10 there. There's none between 33 and 36. And that's what the left and center does. So if I do left, it means it starts at 30 and goes to 33, and it shifts it as such. Now there's one between 36 and 39, 39 and 42, and so on. And so histograms do not have gaps between it. It's a continuous line on the bottom. If there's gaps, it's a bar chart. Google Sheets does not anyway make easy histograms. They're terrible for making histograms, whereas DESMOS does quite a nice job. I can also do the same thing with my solo albums. And if I make it 3 as well, if I go left, you can kind of compare and see how they fit each other, how they compare. And then it's kind of nice to have the same bandwidth or bin width, because you can see how they compare in size here. Okay, and so that is making histograms.